Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. Wait, did you guys catch that? Bitcoin just dumped about $1,000 in less than an hour and a half. Bitcoin trading right now at 12,361, down 0.75% on the 24-hour. But guys, look at everything else. Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, everything is down in the dumps. And as you guys can see here by the charts, it looks as though it's just a straight nosedive down. What is going on? Guys, this is Bitcoin on the 30-minute time frame, and I'm using 30 minutes today to just kind of get a sense of where we're going to find some demand, where buyers are happy to start buying again, and hopefully we'll see that price go back up. Now let me put Bitcoin on an hourly for a second here, and so you're looking at Bitcoin on an hourly. Boy, look at that. Just a huge red candle down. This red candle here, tons of volume. Okay, you can see it right here, a lot of volume coupled with these long red candlesticks, so a lot of selling pressure here. You can see a long tail here on this candlestick, so it looks as if buyers are starting to buy back. Okay, I'm sure a lot of people had buy orders in at the $12,000 mark, and so we didn't see it breach 12,000, but it could still go lower. Maybe not enough buyers at $12,000 for Bitcoin. And guys, look at everything else, just wrecked. Okay, guys, this is XRP on the hourly, but it's not just XRP, Ethereum. Look at that, Litecoin, okay, EOS. Guys, you can name anyone you want, okay, TRX, Tron, okay, ADA, right? Look at everything. Everything is in the dumps, and there's been a sell-off. Clearly, is it market manipulation? Guys, we do not know yet. There is no news as of yet as to why this is happening. I have been scouring Twitter. I've been wanting to keep up to date on this. Crypto Bitlord writes, I'll be honest, if XRP doesn't pump soon, I'll be the first to file a lawsuit. How is this SHIT even legal? Okay, let's scroll down here. Alex Cobb, of course, great way to start the morning by buying the dip. And, you know, I've realized there are a lot of guys that, still want to add to their stacks. If you still have money on the sidelines, guys, this is the perfect time to buy what you're still looking to buy. XRP for Alex Cobb, XRP for myself, maybe a little Bitcoin. Guys, it doesn't hurt to buy these dips. It's not financial advice, but I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. All right, let's keep going here. So as we scroll down here, what do we got here? C3 Nick mentioning that he's getting out his shopping cart and also buying a variety at reduced prices. And so guys, yeah, again, this is not something to worry about. We are in a stable market. Bitcoin is not doing anything that it hasn't done in the past. We are bound to see these kinds of corrections. And oh yeah, this was another thing I wanted to say. As we're starting to make our way up closer to the $14,000 mark, we are going to see this resistance because this is a new high that we've recently made, and so we're not going to go straight up blast through it. I mean, it's a possibility, but the higher we get, the more resistance we're going to see. And to be honest with you guys, I think we will see more and even more of this as we make our way towards $20,000 for Bitcoin. Now, what does that mean for altcoins like XRP? Unfortunately, this is the kind of behavior we are going to see, and it's not just XRP, guys. Consider this a gift from the heavens. I'll put it that way, okay? Because when the entire market dumps like this, you know, fundamentally, let's look at EOS again just for an example. Okay, but all these coins are fundamentally still the same coins that they were 3 hours ago, okay? So if you can find a coin, this is XRP again, guys, on the hourly, if you can find a coin that has a strong team behind them and you have some extra money laying around, now is when people are panicking. And so what does Warren Buffett say? Be greedy when others are panicking and panic when others are greedy, whatever. I'm paraphrasing, of course. I'm terrible with quotes. So back to Twitter here. What else are we seeing? So wow, 37 cent XRP this day just got depressing, says XRP Euphoria. But Jungle Inc. also buying at 0.354 per XRP. We got ACOS XRP1. Nothing like a bit of manipulation to shake the weak hands. Rinse and repeat BS again and again. It's gonna take some time for us to get over this, but if you guys are always looking at the crypto space as a microcosm, we have to get over this kind of thing. We have to get over the fact that this will happen and that this is normal. What else are people saying here? So Easy XRP, shaking out the weak hands, right? Showing here the price decline. And so going back to that bearable guy quote from 10 months ago, yes, and the cryptosphere will shake, accompanied by a great gnashing of teeth as they look to the heavens and scream, how can this be? Guys, this is par for the course. As you can probably tell, this doesn't rattle me one bit. And guys, I've got a lot of money invested in crypto. Let me tell you, most of it is invested in XRP as well. So, most people's inclination is to look at this and seriously panic. But if you take a look at Bitcoin, and so this is XRP in the hourly, but I'm going to go Bitcoin on the daily, and I'm going to show you guys a few things. Look at that candlestick on the daily, wow, and the volume almost as much as it was yesterday. So far, the day isn't even done yet. It's just a correction, guys. Let's take a look at previous corrections in Bitcoin's past, and guys, as you can see, there have been times where we've seen severe corrections. And when you look at it in isolation, I'm trying to get it here. So this was back in 2017, okay, when Bitcoin was going up, hit 4,400, then came back down here to about 3,500, okay? So that was a $1,000 correction, but the price point was 1/3 what it is today, okay? This is about 4,500 and this is about 3,500. So we lost that. Then we made a new high here to about 49.75. But then guys, look at this, lower lows, okay, lower lows. If you can't see this part of the chart, like if it's September 2017 and this hasn't happened yet, what are you thinking if you see Bitcoin go back down past $3,000, making a new low of 29.72? You might be shaking in your boots. Okay, these deep corrections, I've been trying to warn you guys over several videos now, these deep corrections are going to be occurring because you can't get these thousands upon thousands of percent gains unless we have these deep corrections to kind of mitigate that, because we can't keep going up and up and up. As much as we would love for that to happen in the crypto space, it's just not feasible. So guys, just hang on to your hats. Please do not panic sell. Again, not financial advice. I mean, if you need the money, do what you want. This is your hard-earned money. I don't want to influence you to make decisions because I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't give that advice. All I'm saying is that this is par for the course. And guys, be prepared because the closer we get to the $20,000 mark for Bitcoin, I personally think that this will happen more often with deeper corrections. And despite this being the circumstance today, in the middle of the summer, right, 2019, I still do think we will see a Bitcoin price of over 20,000 by the end of the year. I have a feeling it's going to happen. I think we will maybe even surpass that mark by the end of 2019. And I think once we do pass that mark, that's going to give a lot of legitimacy to the cryptocurrency space. We'll start seeing those altcoins move, and who knows how high the prices will go. Anyways, that's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.